clear of the closing doors, please.
Sing a jingle bells. Really heavy. So much fun, but it's too cold. Nice. So tired. Get down on it. Let's go to see a rocket show. So let's go. Welcome to Little Italy. Today on Saturday, it's busy. Street closed. Anybody could come in here, take a picture with Santa.
Thank you. Happy holiday. Oh, Jesus. Anybody else?
It's beautiful, right? Beautiful restaurant here. Free photo with Santa.
Let's go. They'll go.
Free photo with Santa. Santa give you a free pictures. Vincent, hello, Willie Bob, how you doing? Welcome to Little Italy. How you doing? Anybody take a picture with Santa? How you doing? Merry Christmas. How you doing?
That was the other option.
Merry Christmas. How you doing? You are my people. How you doing? You say, my people. It's brand new. They just opened. Restaurante. Really?
Good observation.
So many tours come to visit Little Italy. Welcome to Little Italy. Italy. Welcome.
I've been high.
Restaurant, Italian seafood. Cafe Napoli. This is long ways pasta, pizza, seafood restaurant on Marbury Street. Umberto Clam House. Where's Burro? Where's the boss? We're looking for the boss. Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday.
Willy dice que me dice, oh, yo puedo solo, pero ni hay nada.
Oh.
El lío sí se la sabe. Claro. Pero cuando lleva, pues se cabrea. No la hagas, mi amor.
You don't want to go in there and see if there's anything in the first one? No.
Hasta piso.
Boarding of it.
Oh, venga.
Stand for 45 minutes.
I understand that, but they're weird names.
También o no.
Cimarrera. Italian. Cimarrera. Barocca. Astoria. Manhattan. Christmas spirit everywhere. Take me to the heaven. Christmas time. Christmas time. Christmas time.
What do you guys?
Children.